This podcast is about entrepreneurship, spirituality, and self-care. My name is Lourdes, and I am the host of the show. Thank you for listening today. Hi, welcome back to the 8th Level Podcast Show. In our previous episode, I recorded on August 6th, episode number 163, I shared about the sacredness of water and how it carries memory. Today, I want to take this a little bit deeper into how our emotions directly affect water. Now, here's a fascinating part. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, studied how water responds to energy. He exposed water to different words, thoughts, and even music, then froze the samples. Under the microscope, he found that loving words like thank you or I love you created beautiful snowflake-like crystals. But harsh words like you fool or angry music created distorted, fragmented shapes. Think about that. Our emotions literally shape water. And since our bodies are made up of about 60% water, imagine what our emotions are doing inside of us. Loving kindness, harmony in our cells, anger and hate, distortion and imbalance in our own energy field. This is why emotional healing is so important, not just spiritually, but physically. So how can we work on this? And here are a few simple practices. Number 1, bless your water before you drink it. Whisper words like peace, healing, or love. Your body absorbs that frequency. Number 2, notice your emotional state. If you're angry, don't shame yourself. Just be aware of how that energy is flowing through your body, your water body. Awareness is power. Number 3, shift with intention. Try speaking gently to yourself. Even one kind phrase like, I am safe, can begin to change your inner water. The lesson here is simple. Your emotions matter. They affect not only how you feel, but also how your body's water carries energy. So next time you pour yourself a glass of water or cry tears of release, remember, water is listening. It's reflecting your inner world, and it's always ready to help you heal and flow. If this resonated with you, please share this episode with someone who needs a reminder of how powerful they truly are. And for more spiritual practices and insights, visit me at mediumlourdes.com. That's mediumlourdes.com. Until next time, may your emotions flow gently like water. I hope that you enjoyed this podcast, and please share this episode with your friends. Please subscribe, rate, and review this episode. Thanks for listening.